So, after, I don't know, maybe something odd hours of bullshit, I mean, that's what my fucking bullshit, recording bullshit, whatever. I am back. It's been about, I won't say weeks, next time. Oh, it's almost been about 2 hours since I last did anything. So yeah, I've been bullshitting my way. So let's continue. I think I'll make this the last place because, oh, holy shoot. Hmm. On. Hmm. Did it work? It did, kind of. Oops. Nope. Let's use this, I guess. Alrighty then. I knew it. Man, what'd I get? Yep, thought so. So, if I'm correct, there's also another place where I think I raised up a weapon. Since I'm trying to remember places I have done stuff on, I think this is the place where I got my Spidey bot upgraded. Well. You know what, buddy? Fuck you. Alright, you know what? Come on, come on! Get out of the way! Holy crap. Bam. You guys are assholes. It's trying to kill me. And boom. Come on. That's bullshit. And boom. Okay then, so we learned quite a few we learned quite a few things. One, this game is bullshit. Two, wow. I love you, master. Wow. Oh my god. I do kind of feel kind of bad by doing that to my robot. Okay. You know, I had to sacrifice about all my robots, basically, which sucks. Like any way I can recover any of my ammo I just lost in this area at all in some form of currency and no, I'll take that as a no. Damn it. I lost almost 3 health bars in total. Damn it. Oh well. Hey, continue point. Checkpoint, bitch. The hell's this? Micro's new Duraplate armor uses double thick plating to provide up to 50% protection. Ugh. Man, that was hard to say. And now, our armor's improved by a shit ton. That's basically what it says. Looks pretty cool, though. Looks pretty fancy dancy, if you ask me. Okay, I was not sure what to do. Why does this bring back horrible memories for me? Nah. The hell? Ow. Sorry. Wait a minute. What? Okay. Fuck you. Oh my god. I'll be right back. Don't say hello. Say hello. It's on now. Say hello. Why? Because are you gonna talk or not? No, it's on right now. Motherfuckers, talk before I smack you.
Yeah, smack me? What's that?
Hey, idiot. Meet Nayato, who's come here for a random surprise.
Yeah.
You know, he's not talking loud because he's...
You know what it says?
No, they don't. I don't really do anything with you. And back to Spiderbot. Can't wait till I get this thing upgraded.
Alright, what to do?
Ah, damn it. Ah. This turns awesome. Ah, what? Ah, thumbs up. Ah. Oh, it's actually about guys exploding, actually not shoot with it also. Yeah, I couldn't give up on the money.
So what's the major gun look like?
Shitty. I don't feel like bringing it out. Because I'm trying to upgrade this. I want to fight about him. Oh. Oh.
Fight about the gangster.
Oh, I'm sad now.
What?
Nobody here. Well, there you go, people. That was Spiderbot.
It was happy.
That's how you do that.
Oh.
It's been about, I don't know, 12 days or something like that. Or some amount of days. What day is it? Okay, it's just 60 days, okay? I'm missing my days. It's been about 60 days since I did anything with this, so I don't remember shit.
God, I couldn't go into co-op, man.
There's my car.
Yeah, that's right. You go for a headshot?
If I remember how to use this gun.
Okay, that was really funny.
Let's go, bitch.
That was just really weird. Rocket, what's this? Rocket, what's this?
I love it.
This
is like, this is the only time they ever do that. Hey, what's that guy doing?
Really? What time to play Rocket the Sniper?
Sure.
That's all I'm ever going to call it. No, it's Rocket the Sniper.
Hi. Hell, if I can do this, I'm doing this. Whee!
If you're
Oh, God.
If you people are wondering, Luffy, master of key
Hey,
tactics.
the fuck, where do you think you going? What the? He's still alive? What the hell?
Wait for him.
I'm not killing him, which is pissing me off. Unless they die by the spider bot, he's not gonna get any experience.
How do they not notice him?
Yeah. He's too gangster and too cute and adorable. Look at that face. I couldn't deny that face. The downside is just if I don't hurry up and try to get to that money fast, it disappears.
I'm gonna give this thing my personal stamp of approval.
Your stand isn't apply for shit.
Hey, what?
No one does.
I'm about to throw it again.
What? No, it's just always out. Like if I want to, I can just do that and the weapon's out, but I can start throwing them and coming back out whenever I want to.
Yeah.
And now I gotta wait. Who the fuck is shooting me?
Apparently nobody.
That's bullshit. Someone is shooting me. Fuck you then.
You don't like a mystery shot?
No. It means more death for me, and I just bought this new armor. I don't feel like wasting any of my health.
You know no one will hear us anymore.
Oops. Take a round trip. Let's go around here. Oh, on the road. On the road again. And let's go around here. Aw, damn it. That's bullshit.
Let it blow up.
Huh?
Let it blow up.
It touched?
I can't you reload?
It's out of ammo? It shows my max ammo out of 8 right there for the bomb. Let's see. Shotgun, bitch.
Just like that shotgun.
Yep. Oh, okay, that would have been easier than... Okay, that could have been dangerous. It was a lot better. Like, this shotgun used to be, I think, single. Or was double, but it shoots faster, and now it's light. Oh, okay. I was like, that's great. Let's see, who's me a douchebag one?
I mean, I don't know about anybody else, but I'd be kind of pissed off.
I wouldn't.
You would not be pissed to watch some guy walking down the roof fucking murder you.
Fuck no, that seems cool. Look at that, that seems awesome, actually. I kind of want to try it out myself.
Getting shot by a guy running down a wall.
Not particularly in a shot, but jumping down that would seem like fun. Because the phone can't pick up the best audio, and so it gets very loud. Like, I'm going to be extremely careful not to shoot. That is very loud. It is very annoying.
What the? This isn't Fizzwidget. Would you like a free prototype sample?
No.
Well, hello there, old one. Where is he? Freeze, knucklehead. Oh, no. The two of you are under arrest for attempting to bump off Mr. Fizzwidget. But this isn't... Save it, Fuzzy. You're not fooling anyone. You and your metal buddy just earned yourselves a trip to our new prison. Watch this.
They're from the Thugs for Less.
Thugs for Less Prison would like to wish you a
Thugs
happy
for Less.
incarceration.
Yeah, they're rushing
After
me.
a full-side orientation, all new inmates will meet one-on-one with a galactic nutritionist. This professional will ensure that you're eating a species-appropriate diet for your entire stay. Next, come check out our fitness spa with your personal trainer. Remember, a prison term can feel twice as long if you're not in proper shape. And for those times when you're just feeling blue, come talk it out with one of our 10 full-time life coaches. They'll help you find your smile again. Thugs for Less Prison. Experience the maximum in security.
The fuck?
So it's all lies?
Yeah.
No.
What'd you think of that? That didn't seem so bad. I assume you have provisions for vegetarians. Of course. Vegan or frozen. Wait a minute. You take them away and impound their ship too.
I need that shit. Why not around us?
Sorry. I have thoroughly analyzed our surroundings, and I'm afraid that there is absolutely no means of escape. Except that.
Someone's got a girlfriend.
I will be right back.
Don't stop for anything along the way.
Yeah, another clank section. But
What's the most badass though about ever?
I consider clank to be one of the badass ones. Let's see, do this, and do this. Can't wait till I can actually start playing something new that I don't know about.
Yeah?
Most games I play, man. I know most of my games.
Hammerbot acquired. Use it to hammer objects.
Oh yeah, you're a new one, aren't you? You gonna follow me? Good. Fun. There it is. Shot.
Who is him?
He flew to me, bitch.
Who him back?
It doesn't work that way. He just salutes me at the point of him. See, he always salutes me.
What is flute, man? What is flute, man?
Nathan salute me. I'm like the commander and whatever. He's the fucking recruit. I hammer this. Really? Okay, hammer again. That was. Fuck you. The only downside is Clank has like no health.
But he has a girlfriend.
No, she likes him though. She's trying to give him flowers when they first met, but it kind of turned out to be they go the wrong way. Instead of flowers, he met with a robot. He met with a guy trying to kidnap him. Fast. There you are, you two things. Let's see.
What's the blue one mean?
I don't know, because I can't activate my thing at the moment. Blue one. What's the blue one? Oh, that one down there. Means enter. Come here, hammer dude. So basically, in a little bit, I'll be seeing like this one thing where it says like a number above them. Okay, you hammer dude, get the fuck away. I need the little dudes on this. Whatever, just come on. You two get on this with me. We're gonna be launching 6 feet in the air.
This door requires light.
Yeah, no. And then you press that thing, they go in. Annoyingly enough, you don't get them back, which is annoying.
Yay.
I wish someone would make me that as a plushie. I like them.
Make you what?
A plushie?
Of what?
Are those little robots? Like 2 things in this game. Those little, ow! Oh god! Oh god, no! No, 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 holy fuck. What? I think up there. They made it improved in this game. I think in the first game it's like people. Oh come on! I don't have the help for this.
I don't really see your health.
You just saw it a second ago, man. No, that thing up there, that little circle up there.
Oh.
How did it make that make sense before? Fight them. These are terrifying. It just takes one bite. It takes me like 40 punches. It takes them a bite to kill something. Oh god! Oh god! Oh shit! Can't face them all. I'm scared to hell to move. Eh. Huh? I think he doesn't get health. As far as I remember, he doesn't get health. Okay, so who am I missing? Go, dude, enter. What? Wait, whoa. Okay, stop, follow. Enter. That's awkward to see a command. Anything down there I missed? Yes, I did. Fuck you, man. I need these things. I need to buy every gun and upgrade it. So I gotta go back to the first game and buy and get all the bolts, or the platinum bolts, and upgrade the gold gun. That's quite a bit of money though. It's like most guns are like around 20,000.
Yeah.
And for the gun, the regular pistol, I think it's like 50. I was 4 out of 14. I don't know what that is. Okay, sweet. Oh, come on. Oh, okay, thank God. Oh, I still don't have enough, damn it. Good. $100,000 on this damn armor. Ooh, what is that? Oh, it's a Zodiac. Zodiac. Words can't describe the devastating force of the Zodiac. That was amazing. Next. Shield Charger. Force field technology at its best. Protects you fully and also damages opponents who touch it. Okay.
That's badass.
Yep, can't afford it. That was close. And go to the mini.
Is that how you're supposed to do it?
What? Jump?
No, I'm gonna beat that. I'm supposed to beat that.
What do you mean?
You're not fighting.
No, I can fight if I want to. I choose not to.
Oh, so you're using your special technique, Master of Two Tactics?
Not cheap. If it was cheap, they wouldn't give me the weapon. First of all, it's the only way you can upgrade the weapon. You have to use it itself. I'm kind of annoyed right now, though. As you have to upgrade.
Less than Bolt Pressure?
No, it hasn't been upgraded yet.
I mean, look.
I need that magnetized one. And I got 40 grand. I need 1,500,000. That's wonderful. Okay.
How you supposed to use the spider bot?
I don't do this all with Spider Ball. I just do the parts I can with Spider Ball. And I'm going to say that Spider Ball. Oh my god.
You think you can randomly have magnetized boots, huh?
It's not random. Fuck you. Fuck you.
That's not what you wanted.
This is a lot better than the first one. On the first one, you couldn't even jump. It was annoying.
You couldn't jump with this one?
You couldn't jump with the boots whenever you're magnetized onto something. That?
The purple thing.
What purple thing?
Turn around.
That door?
Turn around.
Oh, that's health. It's there's blue ones and then there's that. Kamikaze! Oh, you guys didn't die. That was worth it. But yeah, okay, so you need those little health up there?
Yeah.
So a purple will restore a full one, right? A blue one will restore a little tiny, or restore like one segment of that little thing. See that last one right there? That thing, the last, had that little sun left? That's all restores. Which sucks. There's some health upgrades. Besides killing enemies, which upgrades your health by that little segment, there's also these little things you can find that also increases by a segment. Oh, finally. Yes. Who's Hank Fox? Basically, he's a badass now.
And you got all that money.
Yep. No, it sucks though? I need to buy another weapon though. Because Sheepinator is kind of hard to upgrade.
What's the Sheepinator?
Turns into some sheep.
Why don't you use that?
Because there's a little enemy, the stronger the enemy is, the longer it takes to turn them into sheep. Time to read this though. The glove launches out a small world equipped with a special turret. Press B to fire its machine gun or hold and release X to launch bomb. Ooh.
Press B to fire its machine gun?
I like X. Press O to make the robot close. That's easy with this. Yeah, but see? See all the bars to the right there?
That's an enemy's how much they can take before they just transform. The thing's infinite. That's the cool. That's why there's just that meter there. So. No. The enemies here are tough. First of all, they shoot out fire.
You don't have to worry about that. You have to tank on it.
That doesn't do shit for this fucking thing, though. Oh, God. Fuck you.
It's Meat Man all over again.
Hey, you got Meat Man with this dude. He at least lets you see the entire stage. Oh, that was bullshit.
What?
That fucking lamp. So let's try out my new improved fancy dancy tank bot. Bitch. Aw, damn it. They died? Hell yeah, they did. Oh man, I thought it was gonna be more intimidating. Oh shit.
Yeah. He's